Now that we have started our Zoom call, what we can do is check on a few important things. When you have a participant enter into your Zoom call, you will receive a notification that says they are waiting for admittance, but I encourage you to select participants and then make sure to be watching your waiting room as people come in so you can admit them in right away. I also encourage you to have your chat function open, as you will be able to see what people might be saying to you. And just anything like that, and monitoring conversations within your Zoom class as well. As you can see, I have a few other options down here that you might not have, such as support and record. That's okay. We do have the ability to record all of our Zoom videos and place them into our Google Drive. That is a very handy feature, although up to you if you would like to enable it. Next, let's make sure we check on our security here, and we can see what we're allowing and what we're not allowing within Zoom. So for instance, I could lock the meeting. That would prevent anyone else from joining. I can disable the waiting room, so then anyone can join freely and I don't have to admit them. Again, that's not a best practice, so we like to avoid that as much as possible. Also in security, we can see how we can allow participants to either chat, rename themselves, unmute themselves, or share their screen. To prevent issues that may occur during a Zoom class session, I do encourage you to deselect rename themselves, and if you would like, up to you, unmute themselves. That will put more burden on you if you are running a Zoom class, as you will have to then unmute that specific student if they have a question or would like to speak on Zoom as well. Alright, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly through email, or if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to leave those questions in the comment section below.